In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the home screen button. So as you can see, it's broken. I'm trying to press the button, it won't work. So first you should use the lock screen on the top to unlock your iPod, and just slide and lock. And then you want to go to settings, go to general, scroll down and click on here, and we're gonna click on this one right here, and as you can see it's off, so just click on and then you tap whatever you want, and you should get something like this on the top. So you can just scroll to here on the middle of the screen. That's the home screen button. So if you press it, you can get the option to go home without using the actually hardware. And you have a lot of options. You can go to device, lock screen, unlock it, and still go to the home screen and get more options such as screenshot, multitasking, shake, things like this, voice control, and much more. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.